Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Coleman Powermate 6250 is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your generator running smoothly, ensuring you have reliable power when you need it most, whether for home backup, job sites, or recreational activities, and today we're diving deep into what makes this particular carburetor a standout choice for many users seeking durability and performance. Number 5. Bilt 5550 Generator Carburetor Kit. Ensure your generator runs smoothly with this essential carburetor kit. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. This kit includes a direct replacement carburetor and all necessary accessories. It's compatible with specific Bilt and Coleman Powermate generator models. Keep your engine clean and running efficiently with the included air filter, pre-filter, and fuel filter. A spark plug is also provided for your convenience. This carburetor is specifically designed for 10 HP Briggs horizontal engines manufactured after 2000. It features a side float design for consistent fuel delivery. Remember to always replace the float bowl gasket with a new one when servicing the carburetor. This ensures a proper seal and prevents fuel leaks. Before purchasing, please double-check your engine's model and part numbers. This will help avoid any complications and ensure a perfect fit for your repairs. What we like. This carburetor comes as a comprehensive kit, including a foam filter, pre-filter, fuel shut-off valve, and spark plug. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement with all necessary components, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for users who want to perform a full tune-up or ensure they have every part ready for installation without extra trips to the store. What people say. The carburetor was an exact fit and worked perfectly right out of the box. It was easy to install and the generator started up immediately after installation. Number 4. 591378 Carburetor for Briggs Stratton Generators. This is a high-quality replacement carburetor designed for Briggs and Stratton engines. It's built to provide reliable performance for your generator. This part is engineered for a direct fit, replacing numerous OEM part numbers. It ensures compatibility with various Briggs and Stratton engine series and specific generator models. Specifically designed for single-cylinder, horizontal shaft OHV engines around 10 horsepower. It's the perfect solution for your generator's power needs. This comprehensive kit includes the carburetor, air filter, pre-filter, spark plug, gaskets, and a fuel shut-off valve. Everything you need for a complete installation. Ensure your generator runs smoothly and efficiently with this essential replacement part. It's an ideal choice for Coleman Powermate and Bilt generators. Crafted for durability and long-lasting performance. You can count on this carburetor to keep your equipment running when you need it most. What we like. This option boasts compatibility with a vast array of Briggs and Stratton engine model numbers, making it a versatile fit for many generators. If you have a single-cylinder, horizontal shaft, OHV engine, especially a 10 HP model, this is likely the one you need. It also conveniently includes gaskets, simplifying the installation process for users who want a direct and compatible replacement. What people say. The carburetor is a direct fit for the Coleman Powermate 6250 generator. It comes with all the necessary gaskets and hardware for installation. The generator started right up after installing the new carburetor. Number 3. Craftsman 5600 watts Generator Carburetor. This is a premium carburetor designed for your generator. It ensures optimal performance and reliability for your power needs. Specifically engineered for the Craftsman 5600 watts generator with a 10 HP Gentech OHV engine. It's a direct replacement for a seamless fit. This part also works with Briggs and Stratton Elite portable models, 5000 to 6250 watts, and Bilt 5550 watt generators. It's a versatile solution for various setups. Experience improved fuel efficiency and consistent power output. This component helps your engine run smoothly and effectively. Please note that this carburetor is designed for 10 HP engines and does not fit 11 HP engines. Always check your engine specifications before purchase. It also fits Briggs and Stratton GenPower 305 and Coleman Powermate 6250 gasoline generators. Ensure compatibility with your specific model. What we like. This carburetor is specifically highlighted for its fitment with Craftsman 5600-watt generators and Gentech OHV engines. If you own a Craftsman portable generator or a Coleman Powermate 6250 that uses a Gentech engine, this is a targeted solution. It ensures optimal performance for these specific models, making it a reliable choice for those seeking a precise match. What people say. The carburetor is a direct fit for the Coleman Powermate 6250 generator. It comes with all the necessary gaskets and hardware for installation. The generator started and ran smoothly after installing the new carburetor. Number 2. Coleman Powermate Generator Carburetor. This is a brand new carburetor designed to fit your Coleman Powermate generator. It's built to ensure optimal performance for your power needs. Specifically crafted for 8 HP and 10 HP models, this part ensures a perfect fit. It's compatible with ER 4000, 5000 watt, and 6250 models. Experience consistent and reliable engine operation with this essential component. It's made to replace your old or faulty carburetor effectively. This carburetor is a direct replacement for your generator's existing unit. Installation is straightforward, getting you back up and running quickly. We provide a high-quality replacement part that meets stringent standards. Trust in its durability and performance for your generator. Keep your generator running smoothly for all your projects and power outages. This carburetor is the key to restoring its full potential. What we like. Designed with Tecumseh engines in mind, this carburetor is perfect for Coleman Powermate generators in a 4000 to 6250 watt range, particularly those with 8 HP or 10 HP Tecumseh engines. If your generator uses a Tecumseh engine and you're experiencing issues, this offers a direct replacement solution. It's ideal for users who know their generator is powered by a Tecumseh motor and need a reliable part for that specific setup. What people say. The generator starts up and runs smoothly. It is a reliable generator that has been used for many years. The generator is easy to start and operate. Number 1. Coleman Powermate Generator Carburetor ER 4000 5000 watt. Ensure your generator runs smoothly with this premium carburetor replacement. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. This part is specifically made for Coleman Powermate generators equipped with Tecumseh engines. It fits models like the 6250. Perfect for generators with 8 HP and 10 HP engines, supporting ER 4000 and 5000 watt models. Get reliable power output. This unit directly replaces Tecumseh part numbers including 640260, 640260A, 640260B, 640269, and 632689. A perfect fit is guaranteed. Your purchase includes the carburetor and a gasket, providing you with the necessary parts for a straightforward installation. Please check the compatibility details and your part number before buying to ensure this is the correct fit for your needs. What we like. This replacement is tailored for Coleman Powermate generators equipped with Tecumseh engines, covering models like the 6250 and those in the 8 HP to 10 HP range. If you've identified your generator as having a Tecumseh engine and need a straightforward replacement, this is a solid option. It comes with a gasket, simplifying the repair and ensuring a proper seal for users who prioritize a direct fit for their Tecumseh-powered unit. What people say. The carburetor is a direct fit for the Coleman Powermate 6250 generator. It comes with all the necessary gaskets and hardware for installation. The generator started up and ran smoothly after installing the new carburetor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.